How does implicit bias in appraisals harm neighborhood investment? Imagine walking into a neighborhood and seeing homes that look similar but being told their values are worlds apart. That's often what happens because of implicit bias in home appraisals. Appraisers are supposed to give fair, objective estimates based on a home's condition, size, and location. But unconscious biases can influence their judgment, especially when they unconsciously associate Black neighborhoods with lower value. This means homes owned by Black families, or in predominantly Black areas, are often appraised lower than they should be. When a home is undervalued, it affects how much wealth the owner can build. Lower appraisals mean less equity in the home, which is a key way families grow their wealth over time. If the home is worth less, it's harder to borrow money for repairs, education, or starting a business. This limits opportunities for Black families to improve their financial situation. Undervaluation also makes it harder for families to get loans or better interest rates. When a home is appraised too low, lenders might give smaller loans or charge higher interest rates. This discourages families from investing in their homes or neighborhoods. Over time, this leads to less neighborhood investment overall. When residents and outside investors see lower property values, they are less likely to put money into community improvements. This creates a cycle of disinvestment that can cause neighborhoods to decline further. The impact on the broader community is significant. When Black neighborhoods are consistently appraised at lower values, it keeps wealth from flowing into those areas. This widens the racial wealth gap and keeps Black families from building the same level of financial security as others. It also reinforces segregation by making Black neighborhoods less attractive for investment. Property value disparities become a barrier to community growth and stability. To fight this, we need more diverse appraiser pools and clear, standardized guidelines that focus only on the home's actual features. Policies should be in place to identify and stop discriminatory practices. Educating homeowners on how to challenge unfair appraisals can also help. When appraisals are fair and accurate, Black families can build wealth through homeownership, and neighborhoods can thrive with more investment. Addressing implicit bias in appraisals is a vital step toward closing the racial wealth gap and creating stronger, more equitable communities.